Hi guys, welcome to this SSD. Actually, I should say, right? I still work with the same idea that you have a bay and you pop out SSDs in and out. So this is the latest, actually, the latest ArcoLinux B plasma that you can have from the release of yesterday. And the topic of the video is, at some point in time I got in touch with the Candy and Beauty line icons, and I've made my own icons. So after a works day, I think we're out 8 hours now, and the work I'll do now as well, so another hour. So more work to both icons, and we have something called sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Candy. That's the name I should remember. Sometimes I forget. ArcoLinux Candy Beauty kit is a mashing together of two icon themes, and then the knowledge I have from the Sardi and the Surfen icons put all together, so it's nice on XFCE, on Cinnamon, on Plasma, etc. Now I just was on here, and this will happen regularly, right? Why? We update, and when we update we get new code in, so that will happen, that the icons suddenly look a little bit different, and that's because the developer, the maintainers of all these applications, say, all right, let's make a new update, and then the icon changes. So that's possible, and that's where we come in, right? We have this system settings, so everything still looks okay there, but I saw that even on this level everything is okay. But if you go a little bit in the menus, a few of them change. So an update in a package will result in the standard Plasma icon. This is the Plasma look, and this is the virtual desktop Plasma look. Now the question is, what changed? And we have to change it back, right? So we have two icons to solve. Where is this icon at? Is there a name? Do I have already a Candy icon for it as well? This is also one, number 3, right? Number 3, 3 icons to change, to figure out what specific name is that now. Should I change something, make a symbolic link or anything? That's what we're gonna figure out in this video. So it's about icons. The topic of the video is icons. Still looking okay. As long as I don't see a Plasma icon, I'm already happy, right? This one and that one. Okay, so we coming back from, that was okay, this one, right? Screen edges and virtual desktops. Okay, I'll move you out of the way on your second screen. What do I need? Let's clean this thing up. So what do I have on this machine? I have data, ArcoLinux Nemesis, okay. ArcoLinux build, out, data. Okay, so I'm gonna get myself the icons. I was thinking maybe I should make myself an SSD for this icon theme, just for this icon theme. Maybe not. We'll see. Anyway, git clone https from github.com Eric Dubois, and then ArcoLinux Candy Beauty line, I think. No, that's not correct. Then we need to Google. Sorry, DuckDuckGo. So github.com Eric Dubois, and the correct URL is ArcoLinux Candy Beauty and ArcoLinux Candy Beauty Plasma. There's a few moments between it, I see. Two months ago, and this one 2 months ago. I wonder which one I should take. That's not good, right? Well, hey, it's not there. So update and no, install is a better word. Install. Then we have the add remove software, that's PAMAC. Then we go to Candy. And Candy is the ArcoLinux Candy. And where is it coming from? ArcoLinux Candy Beauty Kit. It's coming from here. Not now, thank you. So it's this one that we need. Okay, so ArcoLinux Candy Beauty, figured it out. The plasma thing, I don't know why I created that one. So ArcoLinux Candy Beauty, right? ArcoLinux Candy Beauty. Boom. That's there. So all the icons are here. This is the one we select. That's hidden and that's hidden. Okay, so we don't see those guys on our ISOs, on our system Plasma. What we want to do is update these things. Okay, so we want to update. Where we go? We go to the internet. Where are the candy icons? Candy icons Linux. Let's see. Candy icons, sweet gradient. Is that the original one? Looks like it, right? Is there any extra icons on there? Is there anything worth adding? Good question. I've put this online on July 27. So probably I've done my check until July 27. So probably this is gonna be okay already. But we're not sure, right? Just for education's sake, let's do a download. So let's git clone always. And go to documents, for example. First source of the icons. Candy icons. If that's the correct one, I don't know for sure. How can I know for sure? Well, actually, update again or install again better. Go back to PAMAC. Ah, come on. Wrong button there. Yeah, success. There is a way to tell to PAMAC that he can include AOR stuff. Done. AOR stuff is included. If I type now candy, it will include as well stuff from the internet in AOR here. Candy icons. I can have a look, and here it's pointing to a pling link. So is this a better link? I don't know, right? The only way is to have a look, and both of them are the same, I guess. Save, do this automatically. Okay, so I've got myself candies from Pling. I've got another candy from there. Where's the other source? The beauty line icons. Here. There's the beauty line. Beauty line. Voila. It's coming either from Garuda, okay, or from somewhere else. So again, a clone. Click, click, and open a terminal, git clone, and let's see if that works. Yes, I'm sure. Fatal could not read from a remote repository for some reason. Then okay, we're not gonna waste any time. SSH. Oh yeah. Got it. So git clone, Ctrl Shift V. We've got our beauty lines from Garuda, but beauty line is not coming from Garuda, if I'm not mistaken. It's coming from somewhere else. So Linux icons beauty line. Let's have a look. Where is it coming from? Beauty line icons, download there. Garuda, Mate look, Sweetify theme. There was a link. How to figure out again the links? Did I write it somewhere in my code? Would be nice if I put that somewhere, so I don't have to go and look at it again and again and again. So data, if I then maybe, no, I didn't write anything, just these two guys. Don't think, maybe the license will tell me something, or the readme will tell me something. Cool. That we knew. Beauty line, index the readme maybe here. Published under notes in meals, no link unfortunately. So I've kept everything as is, copyright and all. Readme maybe. There we are. So we have the pling. That's where it's actually coming from. Control C. And we need to update from time to time. We need to update anyway, and then fix our 3 icons there. That's the person. That's the person. Don't need the person. I need actually the package itself. Control C. Oops. This one. So that's the person. Maybe I could have found it like this. I don't know. Don't think so. Control V. And here is beauty line. Then we download it again. Let's see. 2000, it's March. And this is 708. 708 is better, right? 708 or this one. Same size. I think it will be the same. Beauty line. And read, right? See what they say here. Is there's a new 6 months ago he wrote something, last change log. So maybe nothing changed, but that's quickly arranged if you do a melt. Quickly figured out. Voila. So I don't know how long it's already been 15 minutes, right? Just figuring out what's coming from where, downloading everything and getting everything ready for a comparison. What do we have here? What did we download there? So this and that can go. Cute fish can go. So this guy, extract here. Where are you? Extract here. And this guy, extract here. So we've got candy icons, and that's why I've kept it like this. I can easily compare now this folder with that folder and that folder with this folder. Okay, super F5. Then we compare directories. All right, let's take beauty line first. Did anything change? We don't want to see the same things, we just want to see the new things. So there may be things in here that I don't like. That's possible, right? But we need to look, of course, that we have the correct thing. So beauty line, and then immediately all the folders. Same here. Beauty line. That's on my GitHub, okay. And then all the folders. I did seem to change a lot of things, as you see here. Not sure. Seems to be some changes. Well, it looks like it a lot, but I don't think it's a lot at all. And that's a difficulty, right? In comparing again with this. I don't feel let's take the apps. Let's take that. Apps. And the same here. It was here 22. That's the things we want to fix. And here is scalable. So we have no scalable there. It's not easy. Never is. Scalable. Open. Let's see. This is a new icon. Do I like the new icon? Let's just have a look. See we don't make mistakes, because otherwise we are killing our own stuff. 19EE. What's this? So that's a new icon. Is it? Are there any icons that I really hate or dislike or anything like it? Foxit. Foxit reader .svg. So this thing, if I do copy to the right, it's gonna be on our system, but Foxit reader doesn't exist. So this one, Foxit reader.svg, no, it doesn't exist. So why is he complaining? Why is he complaining? Same. Let's go for Foxit reader. So let's type it again. Foxit. Just start, click here, and then Foxit. So we have Foxit reader SVG, and that's why, because it's pointing to something that's not existing. Foxit reader SVG is not there. Open externally. Okay, we have to figure that out. Go down. So this thing in apps 22 scalable, there it is. Here's the Foxit reader, and on the other side is Foxit reader without the application. Control C, Control V gives now Foxit reader SVG link and all. That's working again. Okay, let's see more what else we can find. So let's do refresh. Foxit reader should be gone, right? It should be gone if we are not looking for the same thing. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, now I know. So I don't want to see the same thing. Foxit reader, let's type it again. Foxit is gone. That's okay. So there's some things in here. Some new things in here. Okay, that's cool. So we got new icons. That's great. Still probably not gonna solve my thing, my icons there, but it looks good. So when I click the new ones or the modified ones, let's take a look at another one. Before I start copy pasting everything, let's be smart about this. Use our common sense. LibreWolf. What's happening with LibreWolf? Looks like this. And here, okay, again, LibreWolf. Here it looks like this. The design is a little bit different. Which one do you like, right? Which one do you like? I actually like the fact that I have fading colors. So, decision time, keeping the LibreWolf the way it is now. And that's what we do. Make decisions all the time. But some of these things I couldn't care less about, because this is not about ArcoLinux. This is a package from MX Linux. So I don't care how it looks, really. So copy to the right, done. Don't want to see it even. OBS SVG. We like OBS. So how is OBS looking now? Like this. That's a cool one. And how's OBS looking now? Grayish. So this one can go, and I'll take this one. Control C, Control V. Loving this look. Okay. And this is time consuming. You feel how many hours that can go into this, right? This is for the yes guys. True. But why would we remove? Oh yeah, it's gonna point to somewhere else. Yes is gonna look like, where is it? Yes software is not there yet, is it? Scroll a little bit. Yes, lots of yes. This one. So they decide to change that it points, it's a link. It links PAMAC manager is going to have the same look as Yes software. Now PAMAC is important for us. So what is system software looking like? It's not because they make these decisions that we should make these decisions. Whoa, my mistake. So system, and then what was it again? Install or something. Software install. So system software install symbolic. One more. System software install. Okay. And what's here? System software install. This one or that one? Well, actually I like the yellow one. Otherwise it's all purple all the time. So little variation in coloring, I'm all for it. So I'm not gonna change. This is something I don't know, so I don't care. A jackctl thing. So it's an icon for one of the applications out there. VMware workstation. Yeah. Duh. It's an important one. I need to type faster. VMware workstation. Voila. So that's the look. Oh yeah, I remember changing that myself because I didn't like it. I said, oh my god, what is this? And then I changed it myself. Alright, let's try. Okay, I like yours better. So this is my concoction. That's the word concoction. Anyway, I like this better. Control C and Control V. Override, please. So we'll have now the look of this thing. I like it better. I know why I did it. I did it to have a match between all the others here. But it's okay. Choices, right? I'll maybe regret it later on. We'll see. I'll put it back. So it's more about the applications than anything else. So I only look at the apps for now. the neochat. It's an application we have now. Okay. Control C, Control V, it's there. We've got it too. So right mouse click and copy to the right would have been the same. OBS we keep off, we like what we have. LibreWolf, we've made our decision there too. Conqueror, Conqueror. This thing or this thing? Oh yeah. Well, it's not as much as the icon as the size. Then I say, okay, the size is better. Let's just take the Conqueror, the new icon. Now we move up. Elementary. Something changed. Not really my problem. I mean, not essential for me. So, okay. Don't care about the icon basically. So I'm copy pasting. Hydrogen. Copy to the right. Some applications you see all the time, and other applications you'll never see. Well, icons of applications. Foxit PDF. We should have a look. Foxit is a good tool. Foxit. So this one, Foxit PDF, and Foxit Reader. So these guys. Let's have a look. Foxit Reader are symlinks. So that's dealt with. We have that as well. Element desktop. We have element as well. That's new, by the way. Element desktop tray. And what do we have here? Elements desktop. Which one do I like more? Better? I think I'm gonna go with a new one. Element desktop bin. Element desktop. Element. Okay. I'm gonna go for Control C and see what I'm gonna do. Control V. Override, that's one thing. Gonna delete this one. So deleting this one, right? Changing this to element. And then you can do two things. You say, okay, I'm gonna keep it separate, one and the other. This is making things separate. And actually copy paste of a file. Okay. And then the bin version. Or you say to yourself, actually, it doesn't cost me anything if I make a link, right? Don't be afraid to use links because, hey, no kilobytes in there. Links, element. So point to the origin, the source. That's where you're pointing it to. And element desktop.svg. So this guy is out, and with an enter, it's in. So this guy is pointing to this guy. I'll do the same for the other one. Then I have element.svg or png, right? Element desktop bin.svg. This one needs to go. I'll make the mistake. He'll say it exists. File exists. You can't do that. What are you doing? Delete, arrow up, click. And we've got ourselves a new icon, but less kilobytes, right? This is 1.5 kilobyte, which is nothing. But just pointing out that making links pays off. Okay. What else? So element is done. Desktop tray is not done, I think. Element desktop tray, SVG. Let's have a look. Element desktop tray, so that's this guy. Element desktop tray, no, it's not done. It's exactly the same thing, so arrow up, and we say element desktop tray dot SVG. And we got one more, element desktop tray, element desktop dash tray SVG, no typos. Up we go again, so that's done. Eclipse, Eclipse. Let's see. Eclipse is looking like this. Beautiful. What was it before that? This thing. Which one do I like better? I like this one better. Control C, Control V, overwrite. Done. Video, 31 minutes already, right? It is amazing how much time you spend if you really want to do it 100%. This is a comops, so let's have a look. Too late. Com.ops. There you go. That's the that one, and here we have com.ops, and that's that one. Okay, sticking with mine. It does say PNG. Ooh, thank God I saw that. So, right, in our SVGs, there is one PNG in there. What's he doing there, right? Good question. Minus S, obs.svg, and the name is com.obs project, and then a dot and a big S dot and a big studio.svg, of course. So you are out, and you're in, and that's what happens. There is a problem here. I deleted something wrong, I think. Something wrong. We can see maybe in my trash can. What did I delete? Lots and lots of things, but this one, the PNG, yeah. Okay. Oh, got it. So both of them were there. The PNG was there and the SVG was there. Okay, it's time to clean my trash so I can quickly check out things. Empty trash. Do not ask again, empty trash. Thank you, bye. So, I've got already a coms SVG. Okay, cool, all good. So the PNG is just deleted. That's okay. Scrolling. Never heard of cinderella thing. Copy to the right. Order, of course we know order. So copy to the right. Wine tricks. Oh my God, wine tricks. Copy to the right. Do I have wine tricks? Okay, cool, got it. Otherwise, we have an error. LibreWolf, yes, got it. But the app image LibreWolf is something else here. So, app image kit, okay. App image kit. Oh my God, you have to type really fast. App image, and let's scroll them. App image kit LibreWolf, here it is. So here we have also app image LibreWolf, but this guy is a symbolic link, and this is the file. So it makes sense to remove the file and get in the symbolic link that's pointing to LibreWolf. Okay. So that's this guy, a REST client, never heard of it, but it's not there, so copy to the right, advanced REST client. I can't do that because it doesn't exist. advanced. I don't have anything advanced. Come on, advanced. So this icon, Control C. Don't know what it's for, but I have it now. And then right mouse click. Oops. Just showing, yeah, right guys, you can edit these things, PNGs, GPGs, no. But an SVG is a file. I can change the color right now. How many, the XL and the X and the Y, everything I can change, right? So copy to the right is now possible because advanced restclient is there. Also tools, fine, no problem. Advanced restclient, we've done that. We've just not refreshed it, so it doesn't know it yet. I've never heard about this guy, but you're in, and you're in as well. Strange names indeed. This is pointing to system help now, applications offices. This will point to Notepad. Do I like Notepad? Again, let's try type this again. Notepad, voila. So this one, exactly the same, and it is now applications offices. Applications offices. Applications offices. It's looking like this. Okay. That looks like Windows, and maybe that's not intentional. So this thing, we can delete this thing, and this thing, we need to go for there. Voila, changed. Never heard about this, but it's pointing to system help here. Let it be like that. Okay, almost done guys. 4K, whatever it is. Okay, it's cool by me. And the same here, strange icons. Et voila. Then it's time to do a refresh and again have a look at everything again. Now we have made decisions, right? So all the things that this is not, I don't recognize that. Applications others. How does that look? Applications others is this thing. And how does it look now? Applications other. That's this thing. Okay. I think we did see that one. Okay. Keep it. I like it in yellow. The Gnome software thing, that's an important. Gnome. com.gnome. com.gnome. And then software looks like this. com.gnome. Software looks like that. Ah yeah, we had this look. Yellow it is. Decision has been taken. And then Deeping Software Store. App Store. Let's have a look at the software store. A little bit more. Software store. Missing it. Here it is. Here it is. Software store. And here is software boutique. But there is also a software center, manager, properties. Here, store. So it's either the yellow guy or the purple guy, and we're gonna keep the yellow guy. Okay. Software installer. Probably gonna be the same thing, right? So I'll skip this. Software installer again, system install, all gonna be pointing to my yellow thing. Yep. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, my yellow thing. LibreWolf, we decided to. Software store, yes, the yellow thing, eh? Can't say I recognize this, but I think it's the same icon again. Octopi, there you go, the same reason again, the yellow thing. octopi, all pointing to the same icon. And that's now my difference, right? Gnome, software store, all about software installer, because we're making choices as an individual, and it will reflect my individuality. Choices. WhatsApp. Oops, that's a good one. Copy to the right. All right. 14 minutes. Who says creating icons is not time consuming? Nobody. Devices, maybe. Yep, we have things in here that is not yet in there, so that's new. Those guys are new. Now this is dangerous. Network wired is going to change this icon, this arrow up, arrow down thing that we have. And I want them to be the way I want them to be, right? Devices, network wired, symbolic. It is white, that's for sure. I can't see it on my white screen. So open with Inkscape. Don't tell me I haven't installed Inkscape on this machine. So go background -s Inkscape. No, it's not installed. Ice cream, yay. Open with Inkscape. Sure. Ooh, the design is outside of the border. That's not good. Document properties. Let's go for a checkerboard. Oh yeah, almost out of the board. So it's an icon I don't like. Simple. Maybe you don't see it yet. You can change the color like so. Come on, darker yellow. Voila. Now you see, that's the icon. Don't want that. Close without saving. Yes, thank you very much. So I'm not putting that in. Stop. Other. What else? Actions, scalable, open, scalable, other. Action, scalable, open. We've got a few. Any new guys? No. So nothing in the department of the actions. Beauty line, actions, apps, devices, MIME types, places, MIME types. Come on, like so. What I see are a lot of links. Not really important links. Since I haven't seen any problem yet with the MIME types, I'm not going to venture that way. That route is not gonna be taken. What I want to see is the places, maybe. Places 48 and places 48. So that's looking okay. I would think the beauty line is finished now. So what did we do? Right mouse click. Git ahead is not there. I love my right mouse clicks. Sudo pacman -s git ahead. Oh, it was already installed. So git ahead. Dark white. Let's go for white. And then you can just drop this in there. Boom. What have we changed? This is what we've been doing. That's the result. There are some important icons in there. Okay. Next up, if that's beauty line for us, and we still have a candy icon to check. So there we go again. And the video is long and will become longer. Other, beauty line is done. Candy icons, apps, scalable, open. And then the same here, other, downloads, candy icons, apps, scalable, open. We can have a look at the differences between these two guys. So it's a mix between 1 and 2, right? Now it's been a while, so I'll just read. What is the point of this mixing together? That first of all, we use the ArcoLinux Candy Beauty. Then it goes to the beauty line. If the icon does not exist, then we're gonna go to the beauty line. If the icon doesn't exist here, then we go to the AL Candy icons. Okay, so the idea is start here, go to here, and then go to here. So the beauty line overrules the candy icons. That's very important because I don't want doubles. I'm not gonna put all these Firefox things in there because basically they're in the other one, right? They're actually in the other one. So it's a little bit more difficult, a little bit more tricky to think what shall I do here right now, because it's all empty. I don't want these icons from this particular thing, but from other things as well. So as a fallback, this is a fallback for me. The devices, scalable, battery, okay, fine. What do you have here? Other, devices, scalable, open. Ah yeah, we've added these two guys, right? Okay, fine. Okay, other, candy icons, mime types maybe, skeleton, no? Oh, just 4. Don't worry, right? Just 4. Who cares about 4 icon themes? That's really nothing. Preferences, scalable. That's a few guys, but don't think we got that. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Other, scalable, candy icons, preferences, scalable. Because there is just one difference. Okay. But I am wondering, there is no preferences in this one, is there? So if we are in need of icons that are pointing to, most of the time, preferences is like system settings and stuff like that. When we have the XFCE settings, for example, and you have the desktop display and all that. So these are those icons. So they're coming from the candy icons. Decisions. Always. What else? Scalable, other, the candy icons. Preview is not interesting. So it's just the apps that I would want to revisit one more time. Scalable, open. So the left is the candy and the right is ours. Is there anything new. Well, a lot is new. These are all the new stuff. Acro read. Do I want these guys? Cowbird. Never heard about cowbird. So wait, not here, but here. Apps, scalable, cowbird. There's no cowbird. C-O-W. There is no W. I'm in the wrong place. Ah, C-A. C-A, not C-O. It's a cow on a cow. Cow, maybe. I don't know. Oh, nice birdie. So we don't have a birdie in here. Don't know why. What application that might be. Just yay, cowbird, I guess. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Cowbird. What do we get? Native GTK Twitter client. Ah, my God. We learned something. There are so many applications. Suck, okay, that's cool, that's cool. Control C. Oops, what did I do? Control V I did. Okay, here he is. Control C, Control V. I've got myself a cowbird. Awesome. And off we go again. So maybe, doesn't cost us anything. Maybe I should just get them all in. It costs us a few kilobytes for sure. Why not? Warsaw is a game, Twitch we all know. So there has been some development, and that's cool. Make QV GUI, yes, we've got that too. League of Legends. So okay, all right, got it. Let's add them all in, and we'll see later. We can always turn back the time in GitHub. Right mouse click, copy to the right. And some errors, that's okay. Yeah, sure. It doesn't like it when there's no symbolic link. Well, we need to fix that, huh? These symbolic links, that's true. Okay, yeah, I'm true with you. It won't stop. Super escape, kill. Super escape and kill. So the candy icons apps are here, right? And here are the ArcoLinux Candy Beauty candy icons here. Apps scalable, so that we're not in the wrong place. Control A, Control C, Control here, click here, Control V, and do not overwrite anything. Just skip. So apply to all. If it exists already, we skip it. So whatever is new is added, and that's what I wanted to have, right? Anything new is now here. Then I can do a super F5 again and do a melt, open recent, beauty line, voila. Let's go back to where we were. That is downloads, candy icons, apps, scalable, open, L beauty line, other candy icons, apps, scalable, open. All right, folders have no differences. Awesome. We've got copy. We just did a copy paste on all of them. And now they're wondering what I'm wondering now, because it's now 45 minutes. What we started with is actually a way to have 3 icons that are now rubbish, right? They are now the breeze icon, and we don't want that, right? In the meantime, we have updated everything, and that's the point. Update everything. Now, this is not applied. What is applied is what we've installed. Sudo pacman minus remove ArcoLinux Candy. Gone. All my icons will be gone, will be broken at some point in time. They'll become normal again. As you see, they're starting to get normal. So this is what is actually new. And if we want to test it out, Control C. If you're not on Plasma, you have Control H and dot icons. You create a folder, create new folder, dot icons. Put it in there. Here it is. That does not work for Plasma. You go to dot local, you go to share, you go to icons in here, and here you're gonna put it in. Control V. So I'll just do the copy paste of, or let's say 9,000 icons. And now the system is gonna read again and gradually gonna change the icons, and sometimes it needs a logout, login, or even a reboot for all the icons to become present again, to be there again. Let's see if our icons are still broken, these three guys. I'm afraid I need to reboot. Ah, here he is. On my other screen. It was already open. So closing again, opening it again. Was here. So these two guys need to be fixed, and there was another guy that needs to be fixed. So still not fixed. We've added lots of icons. That was number 3. The where was you? Here, spell check. That's number 3. Okay, you've seen it. All right. How to proceed? 3 icons to fix. That's what we came here to do. 57 minutes. We've updated from beauty line, from candy icons, whatever these developers created. We've made our choices. Okay, this we like, that we don't like. Now, if it's not already installed, I'm gonna install Nemo. Nemo is a file manager, Cinnamon. Okay, installed. Now I'm gonna launch Nemo. Okay, Nemo is launched. Then home, wrong place, not home. Where are you? Scrolling down to the file system, user, share, icons, breeze. Where's my breeze? Here it is. Breeze. And then Sherlock Holmes. Screen edges. Screen edges. Take a look at the image. Screen edges, screen edges. The other virtual desktops, the black one. Okay. How about virtual? Or just virt? Okay. Here we have something. Preferences desktop virtual.svg. Okay. That's probably one of them that we found. So, yep, that's the one, right? So preferences desktop virtual. Okay, where are you? You're actually inside the preferences 32. And the preferences 32. Okay, preferences 32. So if I want to, now we have to be very careful. This is the copy paste. If I'm gonna change this later on, it needs to go back to the right. Okay, so preferences. There were no preferences here, but there were preferences here. Okay, that's true. And yeah, is there anything for preferences? I'm not gonna make icons, right? I'm not gonna venture that way, but is there something I can use? Is there a name change or anything like that that maybe I can use something? Can I do an open terminal? And I'll skill list and grab in there to find something virtual. No, just a long shot. So nothing really. But I need an icon. Any icon will do for me, right? To display the screen edges. Okay. Any icon will do to display the screen edges. Which icon is good enough? Screen edges. On Gnome, anything that's not related to Plasma, I will not see. So this one might be a good one. This one is also good. I mean, it's just about preferences basically. Plasma theme, maybe, why not? So you feel me making choices now. My brain says what icon would be nice to have instead of this, something else. We're not going to create icons, but we need something, and there we can use something plain as well, like this one is plain, just a screen, and that's okay. And it will be together with the other guys, and there's no, it's all different, so there's no second icon that's gonna look like the screen. So I've made my decision. Okay, so that's how it goes. Properties, it's pointing to CS display. Okay, CS, sorry, no, it's not pointing to CS display, it's pointing to preferences desktop display. There you are. Preferences desktop display. There's this one, no, not that one. I want to know the original one, this one. That's the original one. So now comes the fix. If I create a link to preferences desktop, whoa, lots of desktops, display.svg, and what's the other guy's name? Preferences desktop virtual. Preferences desktop virtual. Preferences desktop virtual.svg. Suddenly I have an icon here, preferences desktop virtual svg. So that will come into place, not right now, that will come later on in here. Oops, in here, right? Did I mix things up? No. So this one will be changed, and screen edges is another one. I'll need another icon for the screen edges. Still need to find though the edges. So let's do an edge and see what we get. And there we are. Preferences, not sure. Let's have a look. It's a small thing with a white thing at the bottom, so I think it's this one. Oh yeah, screen edges. It's gonna be this one. Okay, cool. We can actually ask the properties and copy paste that long name, so I don't need to type later on. Choices. Something to do with the desktop. This we got already, so that's what we have here. Do we have? No, we don't. So why not take the one that's pointing actually to this guy. This guy. So this one. Okay, cool. Made my decision. Create, where are you? Open terminal. And then a link to, which one did we take? Preferences, desktop, wallpaper, SVG, Control Shift V, bam. Don't need to type this thing. There we go. Go, and then we have here the gestures, screen edges, hoping, right? We're probably gonna be right, hoping that that particular thing is it. We typed edge. Don't think it's this one, but there's also another one that has the word edge in there. And it's an applet. Ah, it's an applet. It's not a preference. All right, I hope and think we're good. But there was another one. This one, right? Spell check. Did I now close my Nemo? Oh my god. Too fast, too furious. File system, user, share, icons, breeze, and then look for it. Yeah, look for what? Spell check. Spell? How would I have named it? Probably it's right. Tools check spelling. Okay. Tools check spelling. And where is it? In the actions. Okay. It's in the actions. So, okay. If we might be a better way to go to Nemo now again, but then go to the local. So icons, here it is, local, share, icons, where are you? And type in spelling. Oops. That's it, is it? Well, actually we have something. We have a spelling. It's more a keyboard kind of thing. Letter. Spelling, keyboards, words, I don't know. We need an icon for it. You know, maybe a big A here. Spell check. We could choose the icon for Gnome word, K word. Anything that still has the feeling, okay, this is a spell check. Because we don't want to create icons for these guys. It's a mix, and that's it. That's where I stop. Otherwise, I'll have to develop another icon theme, and Sadi and Surfing is enough work as it is. So, kind of like this kind of thing. Maybe this thing. It's a letter, right? Happy word. I'm gonna go for every word, which means it's not gonna be, well, it's gonna be an A, right? Which is not bad. Hey, Eric, very good idea. It still stays, still is an A. All right, so we've got, we've made our decision. It's gonna be an A. AB word, SVG. Now what we can do, maybe a better idea, if this is AB word, we can actually open this thing. I have now Inkscape, and I'll save this thing again. File, save as. But where should I save it? Well, you should save it in where it's not open anymore, I think, and just close it. Yeah. So we have the icon, icons, breeze, and then spelling. So spell, tool spelling check in the actions 16, 22, 24, tool checking, tools check spelling SVG, tools check spelling SVG. I'm gonna put you here, so I'm not gonna make a typo. In the icons, in the beauty line comes first, in the actions, in the scalable, I'm gonna add the following. Tools, check, spelling, SVG. Save. I've got myself a spelling icon, right? Let's clean it up a little bit here. So, tools check spelling SVG, we just have the one. Here we have sizes. So what I need to do is copy paste everything from the local, not everything, these guys, Control C, to the actual GitHub, so I can push it. So these guys, Control V, apply to all, write into, apply to all, overwrite, and done. So what I'll do is stop the video here, reboot, and have a look. Is this doing its work? Is this changed? Ooh, look at that. It is changed, so it only needs a reboot. You see it right now already. And the other one, can we see that one as well? No, not yet. So it will be, well, fixed next time around. When you update the systems, you'll see it will be there. I'm ending the video. It's a workflow thing, right? So if you were thinking about making your own icon theme and mixing things together, this is maybe not a bad idea and a better workflow, but entirely up to you how much time you want to spend on Linux, right? It is time consuming. All right, have fun. Cheers.